Still twisting manual grinders while your steak goes cold? The right electric salt and pepper grinder set changes everything: speed, consistency, and flavor control. Today on Cool Product, we're ranking the best electric grinder sets that actually make cooking smoother, cleaner, and more precise. Don't upgrade blindly. Some are way smarter than others. If you want something stylish and straightforward, the Tomeem electric salt and pepper grinder set is a comfortable place to begin. It offers 5 adjustable grind levels, so you can go from fine seasoning for soups to coarse textures for grilled meat. The ceramic grinding core keeps flavors clean and consistent. And the 115 milliliter transparent container means fewer refills during busy dinners. A top-mounted button allows easy one-hand use, while the LED battery display and built-in light help you season accurately, even in low light. The LED display is a practical touch you don't see often at this level. USB recharging keeps things convenient and cost-effective. The build feels solid with stainless steel, though the button press design isn't quite as effortless as gravity-activated models. Capacity is generous, but frequent heavy cooking may still require regular refills. Overall, it's a balanced, modern option. Now things get a bit more refined with the Gormode electric salt and pepper grinder set. Levi X23. Inside 2-4. The grige and buttercream finish adds a warm, designer feel that stands out on a dining table. It features 6 adjustable grind levels powered by a ceramic core for precise texture control. The gravity sensing operation is genuinely convenient. Just tilt and it starts grinding. USB charging keeps it running for weeks on a single charge, and the sliding dust cover helps keep town cups clean. The hands-free tilt function is the highlight here. It feels smooth and intuitive during cooking. Battery life is impressive, and the LED light ensures accuracy. However, gravity activation can occasionally trigger if tilted unintentionally while moving it. The aesthetic design is beautiful, though lighter finishes may show spice dust more easily. Still, it blends style and performance nicely. Stepping things up, the Thermomaven electric salt and pepper grinder set feels built for heavier kitchen use. With a capacity of about 70 grams, it handles family meals without constant refilling. 6 grind settings give you real flexibility, and the ceramic grinder preserves strong aroma release. The stainless steel body feels durable and premium. Type-C charging is quick and efficient, and a single charge easily lasts through weeks of regular seasoning. Capacity is a clear advantage here. Is dependable for larger households or frequent cooks. The grind consistency feels steady across all levels. On the flip side, the slightly larger body can feel bulkier in smaller hands. It's not the flashiest design, but it prioritizes function over flair, which many serious home cooks will appreciate. Here's where practicality meets smart engineering. The Gaivis electric salt and pepper grinder set stands out with its external grind adjustment system. Instead of reaching underneath, you twist the outer ring to change coarseness, cleaner and more hygienic. It charges incredibly fast, with just 5 minutes giving enough power for a full meal, and a full charge can last up to 2 months. The 100 milliliter wide-opening hopper makes refilling quick and frustration-free. Fast charging is a genuine convenience if you forget to plug it in. The external adjustment design keeps hands clean and seasoning precise. The ceramic core delivers consistent granules. It's slightly smaller in capacity compared to larger models, and the lightweight build doesn't feel as hefty as stainless, heavy designs. Even so, the efficiency and smart layout are impressive. At the top of this list sits the Ioion electric salt and pepper grinder set, and it earns that position through simplicity done right. 5 adjustable levels provide precise control, and the ceramic blades stay sharp for smooth, even grinding over time. The one-hand press operation feels responsive and controlled. A built-in LED light helps you see every sprinkle clearly, especially during evening cooking or outdoor grilling. The large transparent body reduces refill frequency and keeps seasoning levels visible at a glance. What makes it stand out is consistency. Every press delivers even seasoning without clogging or uneven bursts. The simple push-button control feels more deliberate than tilt-based systems. It does rely on AAA batteries rather than USB charging, which means replacements over time. Still, performance, reliability, and ease of use feel extremely well balanced. If I had to choose just one overall, I'd go with the Gaivis electric salt and pepper grinder set. The ultra-fast charging, long battery life, and external adjustment system create a cleaner, smarter cooking experience. It feels modern without being complicated. That said, if you prefer battery-powered simplicity or larger capacity, other options here may suit you better. Now tell me, which grinder would you keep on your kitchen counter? Drop your pick in the comments. If this helped, hit like, subscribe to Cool Product, and check the links in the description for the best deals. See you in the next one.